did you sell that second home, your primary, to then do this new property last summer, or do you still have that and turned that into a rental?
We considered turning it into a rental. It would have been very close in rent to what the mortgage, taxes, and insurance and flood insurance would have been. So we decided to sell that and use that money to rehab this place. We did, however, in terms of like what the transactions were, we bought this and then sold that.
Gotcha.
So we basically needed the equity to do the renovation here. And something that has happened since we did the case study was we did a cash out refi on this and basically then got that equity back out. So we're sitting on that cash again now.